Alright, so today we are checking out the Gelrova LED backpacks. A couple sizes. A little bit smaller right here. As you can see, that one's right here hanging. So I'm gonna unbox this. This thing is dope. Let's get into here. Let's open this up. Check this out. Whoa. Whoa, look at that, baby. So this LED riding bag is really cool for a couple of reasons. One of the main ones for me is the fact that you can expand the sides. You just unzip this here, like so, and then it pops out. So you can obviously see the extension there that's going to make room to carry your helmet. So whether you're at a restaurant or after your ride, you don't have to carry it or risk leaving it on your bike. So with the extended zippers open, full-size helmet fits in there. Just zip it up. Like that. And you're ready to go. So we have two different sizes. This is the smaller one. This is great if you're a smaller rider or maybe if you're a lady. Still holds a helmet. Same extension side outs as the full-size one. Super high quality straps, nice and padded, breathable, great for a hot riding day. Obviously, you're gonna be wearing a bunch of gear. Fully adjustable top and bottom waist strap, which is nice because obviously when you're riding, it needs to be nice and secure. Cool, so you locate your USB, connect it to your power bank, just like that. I throw it right there in this top pocket. It's nice and snug in there, good for when you're riding. It's not gonna come unhooked. Just like that, we power right up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna scan the transparency app right here on the box. So the app is super easy to use. Connects through Bluetooth. You can change it to anything you want it to say. You can do animations, tell your friends you gotta get gas. I put a picture of a Ducati on there because I ride a Ducati. Make it fun, make it flames, you know, and you just on and off right there, just like that. Super cool. It's a great bag. Very sturdy, very well built. I like the padded straps. I'm a big fan of the reflector. You know, as you're riding, it's better to be safe. Chest strap. Across the waist, keep everything snug. Ready to go.